Hello everyone, I am Nisha Mandirata. Today I will discuss something very interesting topic, that is art integration in commerce. First we need to know what is art integration. Art integration uses various art forms for experience based learning of various concepts in different subjects. It also helps in embodying the Indian culture ethos through the integration of Indian art and culture in the teaching and the learning process at every level. So simply it is we can say the motive behind introducing the art integration is to learning make fun, to learn by using the method of arts. Art integration is simply means art plus any subject. Integral, we are going to combine art skills into the art subject. So it could be a game, it could be a riddles, it could be PPT, it could be some video, it could be something like wall hanging and all. Yeah, to be very frank, when I came to know that something art integration in commerce, I was like, what, art integration in commerce, how could be it possible? But when I joined a webinar which was conducted by a CBSE resource person, Mr. Gaurav Palia sir, I came to know how it is possible. I am really very thankful to him for telling these some techniques, and because my teacher was good, so I could make my student understood what is going to be done. So these are few projects which are made by my students. I would like to show you. Art integration may include the uh, pictures, that is posters, and you can see on my screen, this is a project this is a poster which is made by Supriya of class 12th. It shows the training and development method. And now I like to discuss something very interesting, that is it may be crossword puzzles. So I am going to show crossword. This is a crossword puzzle related to accountancy made by a student, in which student need to search these questions. The questions are number of partners which should not be exceed the following, and the answer will be in this grid. So this may be also part of art integration. This is also a crossword puzzle on goodwill chapter which is made by a student name, actually I forget the name, very sorry for the. Art integration may be uses of these mind maps. This is made by Kush Gupta and Khushbu Negi, and these mind maps has made by so many students, and these mind maps has made themselves by using a app, that is MindMister. So this can also be a part of their art integration, because they have made itself, so it will have long lasting effect on their memory. Whenever you draw something for yourself, whenever you do something with yourself, then there will be the more impact on your. Again, one more poster which is made by Rishu of class 12th B. It is about consumer right. This poster is also very beautiful, and we can say whenever she was making this poster, she must have learned all the things. So this is the main motive behind art integration. Do something very creative so that it will impact on your memory, and it will be, you can say, very interesting. Now this is very interesting. This is a game. Art integration can also include a game. This is a Ludo made by a student Afzal. I'm going to show again art in I'm going to show one more Ludo game, in which the student have made question on each and every tip. In this he has not written all the questions, although this can also be done in art integration. I will show another Ludo also, in which arts accountancy question is given by a student. And the next one is going to be very interesting. This is a wall hanging, and this is looking, it looks really very beautiful, and you can also hang on your you can say on wall. And this is made by Mansi, and look, this is a wall hanging in which goodwill, classification of goodwill, method of goodwill is given. How beautifully it is made by her. And even if we hang on our wall, it will not seems like it is an accountancy project of a student. So it is called art integration, arts plus accountancy in one. And another wall hanging on the principles of management by Divya Pant or Diya Pant. Actually, these both girls are twins, so I forget the name. This is made by Divya Pant. Even she has presented in a very beautiful way, and the description box you will get the link for the same video. We can also make flashcards for our art integration. We can say students to make 15 flashcards related to case study or BST. When they will make the flashcards, they will able to learn those case study. They will be it will become very interesting for all. Let's suppose I have given flashcards to every student and I have strength of 40, so I will be having the 200 case study with me, and when the student will ask through the flashcards, they will have the quiz, it will be more interesting and it will be like a game, so they will enjoy. So these are the flashcard made by Anmol Baduria of my class. This could be like a project file. It is made by Nitish on flash papers, and it actually it is not very much visible in this, but this is very beautifully made by him. These are like you can say cards, like an album, like a magazine. He has completed the organizing chapter like a magazine. This is also very interesting, and student will really enjoy this when they will make these riddles. And this is made by Soni Singh of class 12th B. In the first riddle she has written, I am prepared on the last day of accounting year. I am a statement that shows the financial position of the business. Who am I? So this is called the very interesting riddle, and the answer will be balance sheet. There are so many riddles she have made, so we can also give riddles in art integration. Student will really enjoy this, and I would like to make it clear that I have given only the simple ideas and they have made their self. These are efforts of my students, and these efforts I have given only the direction which I have also got through the sir. I have already told you that Gaurav Pale sir have told me in a webinar, so I came to know what ideas could be given to student. I have only told them, I have given only direction, and they have done it very beautifully. You just believe me, you need to give a simple idea, student will do it very nicely. So these are the riddles in accountancy, and it is very interesting. These are prepared by many students. I am primary source of income of NPO. I am usually collected every month from all the ordinary members. In order to calculate the amount on account is prepared. Which account is that? The subscription account. So these type of riddle may be very interesting. And now moving towards next. And this video is made by Khushbu Negi of class 12th B. In this video she have explained the planning through a video, as well as she have put some animation in which she have explained planning to fail means failing to plan. देखो मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हूँ, है ना, तो आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. I'm just kidding. It failing to plan means planning to fail, and this has been done by her very nicely. And so this is the project of Lakshya Rawat. You must have seen that crossword puzzle in which what he has done, he has made the crossword by using some software. And look, this is a rap song which is prepared by 12th class student by the name Bhavishya, and this is really very interesting. Even I have not expecting this type of song and this much of lyrics and what he has composed. And जितने भी फैक्टर्स हो इंटरनल या एक्सटर्नल्स करते हैं अफेक्ट बिजनेस की परफॉर्मेंस, उसे कहते हैं बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट. चल मेरे कोर तो चलते चल, सोशल पॉलिटिकल लीगल जो करते हैं बाहर से बिजनेस को ऑपरेट, टॉप तेरा ड्रेसिंग सेंस बढ़ती जा रही एक्सेट. So this was a rap made by a student on business environment, I'm going to put this step also in another video without wasting your time. So these are various things which can be taken into consideration when we give the art integration project. There are so many students which have given me, who has given me actually PPTs, their riddles, their coursework, but because lack of memory in my phone, I couldn't downloaded all the things. In the next video, I'm going to show all the other things also. So I have told you about art integration done by my students, and this video is really dedicated to all my students. Thank you so much, all of you, and really I'm learning from my students, and this is what the aim of art integration: learning by doing, and creativity you can see all in these projects which made by class 12th B of Police Modern School. Thank you very much. Hope you really like this content. You are going to share with your student. And one more important information, that I'm not going to edit any videos because I don't know how to edit, and nobody is going to edit for me. So if I do something wrong, if I did something wrong, then I apologize. Sorry for that. Thank you so much. Keep watching. These are two more